So my personalized project is in conjunction with working with a 6th grade ELA teacher. She wanted to create a choice board in Canvas and use Canvas more efficiently. So we made it more personalized concerning this activity she wanted to do, which is citing textual evidence from the punctuation point of view. What we did first is put in a learner survey that ideally you would do earlier in the year so you have an idea of how your students learn and what their interests are. So here's just a quiz that we created as a learner survey. And then right here, we created a choice board. So on this choice board, there's lots of different ways for students to show what they know and in lots of different learning styles. And so they can kind of personalize it to fit them. And then down at the bottom here, I also wanted to include a student choice. So if none of these are how they want to show what they know, then they can come up with their own choice. I also wanted to give them kind of a refresher of how to cite evidence from the MLA standpoint. And so there's a video, there's a graphic organizer, and then a reading. So they have all different ways to kind of refresh their memory on how to cite textual evidence. There's personalizing it in lots of different ways here, and just the refresher and also in how they show what they know. So right here, there's 12 different ways for students to show what they know. What's really important for me is to include this last choice where students have some say in their learning. Each of these link to a different Canvas assignment. Some of them are using external tools. So I'm just going to show you a couple examples. If you click on like this first one, it just takes you right to the Canvas assignment. So this one is to create a one-act play from the perspective of the quotation marks, the citation, and the end punctuation. And I wanted them to use Flipgrid in this case, and so I added it as an external tool. The only thing I struggled with when I was creating this is I wanted to add rubrics to all of the different assignments. However, I couldn't add a rubric to any of the external tool assignments. So like Flipgrid or Cami, I struggled because there wasn't a place to add a rubric, so I'm gonna have to look into that. That is one of the options that they had. Another option was a Twitter chat, which is having them go to this website, and then this is just how to make it in that website and then how to upload it into Canvas. Then here is using Canva, and quite a few of these I had them use Canva, and in this case I had them go to Canva and then download it and then upload it into Canvas. This one is doing a fake Instagram post, so kind of like the fake Twitter one, and here's the rubric at the bottom. This one is using Cami, where they had to draw a picture selfie from the perspective of the punctuation marks. This one's using Book Creator, and then right here I put in an educational GIF which shows them how to upload it when they are done. And this one's making a meme in Canva. And then this one is actually just a media recording right in Canvas. So they can create their comedy routine from the perspective of the punctuation, and they would do that right from the recording tool in Canvas. Then here they're creating a Canva poster. And then this one's using Book Creator again. And then this is their own idea, just kind of making an assignment so they could upload whatever they decide to do. And then in the last part of the show what you know, I wanted a discussion post about why it is important to cite textual evidence in their writing. So kind of some different ways to show what you know, as well as talking about why it is important. And I think in here in the discussion post, you can have them write it, and you could also have them record their thoughts if they want to just share it as a video. So that's my personalization project.